Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. Here's what's going on at cyclogen.com. I'll tell you what's going on. We actually have clickable things now. If you have of that, you probably wouldn't even know it's a link because it's not styled at all. Oh, you can click this. So now you can actually see where Tropical Storm Chris is going. This is again data provided by the National Hurricane Center. So this right here is the best guess as what the path is. But if you go back over to here, this thing is from the South Florida Water Management District, and it's all of the different spaghetti models, spaghetti plots, whatever they're called, of where the Tropical Storm Chris may go. So I'm going to clean that up a bit, because the best guess path should be since it's less clutter, it's more easily understandable. That's what should be on the main page or whatnot. Eastern Pacific had been up to something like 80 or 90%, dropping back down. Now it's to 10%, probably soon we'll see 0% or something. Elsewhere, so here's Tropical Storm Chris, not going to pose any threat to land, booking out that way. Tropical Storm Debbie, potentially, though, 20% chance, so that was formerly a 10, so it's increased by all of 10%. It could happen, who knows, but we'll keep an eye on that, of course. Tropical Storm Chris, not that it poses a threat to land again, of course, but 50 miles per hour as of the latest discussion, or whatever they call that, and max predicted speeds of 60 miles per hour, which would still put Chris at tropical storm status. I believe it starts at 75 miles per hour, so there you can see stuff like that. Anyway, moving on to where we see that it's quite hot again. So we've got flood watch, so it might be nice if this area combined its advisory with down here or up there. So we've got excessive heat watch and fire weather related things, or excessive heat warning. So yuck, it's summer apparently. Oh my good grief, look at that, 113, that's really hot. And then up here, let's see what we've got going. Excessive heat warnings again in Philadelphia, and then heat advisory. So not fun if you live either in any of these peach colored states or down here, and probably all this gray stuff, air quality alert, yeah. So not fun for there either. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise, we've got 2 different slight risks going on today. Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, not Illinois apparently, at least not for the slight risk. Mesoscale discussion in effect for central North Dakota at the moment. Brief funnels possible, however, watch unlikely. Probability of watch issuance 5%, so almost certainly not going to see a watch for that area. But yes, they may produce brief/weak funnels. Yes, so that's North Dakota. So overall today, here is the wind map. So you can see here's your slight risk areas. And then up here, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire with a 5%. Hail map looks almost exactly the same. Tornado map, apparently it's basically just Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan today for the 2% threat. So for instance, in this area, like where my cursor is in Wisconsin, that means that there's a 2% chance at that point, or someone within 25 miles of them will see a tornado. So tornado-wise, overall, it's low odds, it's climatologically speaking high odds, but it's no 45% of what you'd see on a really severe tornado outbreak type day. Tomorrow, what's going on? Apparently now here we've got, the thunderstorm lines, that's what the gray stuff is, so we have to move over here to see the 5%. Where we can see we've got some of the northeastern type states affected by that. Day after tomorrow, no thunderstorm lines on that because it's day 3, so we have to look at that to see where things are. So a whole bunch of the northeastern states affected by a 5%, and then a 5% back here. Days 4 through 8, predictability too low, so if you were to go down here, you're the dominant upper ridge, whatever that all says. So that means there is severe weather on the horizon for days 4 through 8, but timing and or location is uncertain at this time. So the Storm Prediction Center has not put anything on the map. So yes, but for today, there are things on the map, aren't there? I don't know. Anyway, WikiWix is wickedwx.com. There's also weather.gov, Storm Prediction Center for your severe thunderstorm-related needs. And then, of course, if you like hurricanes and stuff, go to cyclocane.com, cyclocane.com. boom, boom. CYCLO, CLO. No, see, I can't make it into a song, then I just can't spell it. Anyway, also National Hurricane Center, and if you'd like to see the Severe Weather TV screencast elsewhere, it's severeweathertv.com, and if you click on that, you get to see all of the, the places where stuff is, the old stuff. Right, anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy your day and stay safe out there and take it easy. And if you want a heat-related advisory, try to take it coolly. Is that a word? Stay cool out there, my friends.